Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video about how to connect your account to VTrade. So it's the same setup regarding your information. So you would have your server trader account and this is where you would register. So you have your trading account number, your password. You would put that in from your information that you already have. And click register. Okay, that's going to take you to the the dashboard. So this is you connecting to our copier. Okay, so you need to see the two green circles there. You need to action and activate the account. So click on activate. This is very important. Okay, so this is where you have your fixed and lot size. Okay, so we recommend to always go as per 1,000. So for every 1,000, it's 0.01. Okay, and if you are depositing or withdrawing, then you need to recalibrate your lot size. Okay, to equal to the equity in your account. At the end of the day, your risk is your own discretion, but this is what we advise. And thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.